I am cleaning the floor right now. I am cleaning the floor right now. The floor is very dirty today. The floor is very dirty today.
Be careful on the wet floor. Be careful on the wet floor.
I am hanging the clothes outside now. I am hanging the clothes outside now. The weather is perfect for drying clothes. The weather is perfect for drying clothes.
I want to finish all the work today. I want to finish all the work today. I am standing on the chair now. I am standing on the chair now. Ah! I am falling down right now. Ah! I am falling down right now.
Oh no! She has fallen off the chair! Oh no! She has fallen off the chair!
Ouch! I have fallen on the floor. Ouch! I have fallen on the floor. My waist is hurting very badly now. Please do not touch my waist. Please do not touch my waist.
I am placing a pillow under your head. I am placing a pillow under your head. Do not be scared. I am here with you. Do not be scared. I am here with you. I think you need to see a doctor. I think you need to see a doctor.
Yes. Please call the doctor now. Yes. Please call the doctor now.
Doctor, I am calling about my wife. Doctor, I am calling about my wife. She has fallen from a chair today. She has fallen from a chair today.
Oh. Is she in pain right now? Oh. Is she in pain right now?
Yes. She is in a lot of pain. Yes. She is in a lot of pain.
Where exactly is she feeling the pain? Where exactly is she feeling the pain?
Can you please come to our house? Can you please come to our house?
Yes. I am leaving my clinic now. Yes. I am leaving my clinic now.
Thank you, doctor. We are waiting for you. Thank you, doctor. We are waiting for you.
I will be there in 30 minutes. I will be there in 30 minutes.
Oh. Someone is knocking at the door. Oh, someone is knocking at the door. The doctor is here. I am opening the door. The doctor is here. I am opening the door. Please come in, doctor. Please come in, doctor.
Thank you. Where is the patient?
She is lying in the bedroom. She is lying in the bedroom. Should we take her to the hospital? Should we take her to the hospital?
No, she can recover at home. No, she can recover at home. I am writing a prescription for you now. I am writing a prescription for you now. Never give her medicine on an empty stomach. Never give her medicine on an empty stomach.
She should also apply this gel on her waist. She should also apply this gel on her waist.
How many times a day, doctor? How many times a day, doctor?
Apply the gel 3 times every day. Apply the gel 3 times every day.
I am going to the pharmacy now. I am going to the pharmacy now. I will be back very soon. Do not worry. I will be back very soon. Do not worry.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
I have a prescription from a doctor. I have a prescription from a doctor.
I am packing all the medicines for you. I am packing all the medicines for you.
Here are all your medicines. Here are all your medicines.